In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A16. Now, to download the Ringtone, first we have to install the SnapTube from the Google. So search SnapTube on Google, tap on download SnapTube, tap on this button to download the SnapTube. File is downloading. Tap on open, tap on install, tap on open again. Now allow the permissions. Tap on not now. Tap on search bar. Search here ringtones. I will simply scroll down. Let's open any random ringtone, for example this one. Now to download the ringtone, tap on download button. Now select the MP3 format. Tap on download. Tap on allow the access. Tap on this toggle to allow permission. Now simply go back. Go in play. Here you can see ringtone is downloaded. Now if you want to set this ringtone, then go in settings. Simply scroll down. Go in sound and vibration. Tap on ringtone. Tap on plus icon. Now from here I will simply select my downloaded ringtone. I will simply tap on done. So this is how you can download Ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.